Watch! Watch! Of the world, it's not a plan. Hear me now, man? Watch this. Hey, a franchise, the chosen one, the 10-star general. I don't know when I represent, I don't know it go already. I don't know a full effect thing. I don't know it go already when me aim up, crank up, load up and sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. I don't know a loud explosion, boy, don't it? Watch! The most electrifying man in a YouTube entertainment business. Hear me now, man? Right about now, you know. Me see, you know. Shenseea, you know. Post up a picture, you know. I don't know if it's a preview or a video. Or, you know what I mean? It's a preview or a video for a song where she about to drop or whatever it want to be. But a whole heap of people me hear a comment and I say this and I say that. Yo, my brethren, I want to hear me properly, you know. Because I know it going on. When I sound the big thing, I know a loud explosion thing. So hear me I say. Right about now, you know. I get for sister, you know. These are the things where I take time to deteriorate the country. You see what I'm dealing? Because we as a people, we hold a certain moral and, you know what I mean, we hold a certain culture from way back when. I'm forget to find out, say, since we start let go of our culture, we start misbehave bad. Because even if shenseea like girl, I think she should have keep that to herself. You know what I mean? She shouldn't post up that on YouTube, not even on the internet. But here we go on, you know, can't tell nobody what to do with them personal lives still. But I'm saying, what about others? What about the youth them who watch you, the youth them who like you? You know what I mean? And like how you do a thing. So we I tell them say it's okay for them can go turn lesbian or them stuff there. Because them will watch you do that and chew them idolize you, you know, my brethren. Them feel like it's okay and it's right, you know. So them things that I talk about, you know, is what I deal with why shenseea never showcase she and a man wrap up in a bed like that. You know what I mean? You don't think it would have a good highlight too? Or you don't think it would get no farmer of views or it would have caused a big publicity stunt? You don't believe so? Yeah? You don't believe if shenseea did wrap up with a man who squeeze up her sexy ass? You know what I mean? When she in her sexy drawers in her bed. You don't believe it would show a good highlight? You know what I mean? Yo, me hear some man say, you know, them not a problem with it, said, okay, for two women do that. A fuck around and chat. You hear that? Because whether you don't like it or not, woman and woman can't sex them blood clot one another. It's either them are going to use finger thing or them are going to use dildo thing. Them things they're not involved in a sex. Sex a natural thing. And that's why woman born with a vagina. You see what I deal with? Yeah. That's why she born with a vagina with a slit. You see what I deal with? That man can push the hard musclet dick up inside of it. You hear that? Yeah, and that's why man born with a dick. So man and woman born with the right mechanical tools for each other. It's a pair. You see what I deal with? So not a man-to-man, so not man-to-man business and not woman-to-woman business. I'ma say it's not a good highlight for dancehall music. The dancehall artists not supposed to promote that. Because the country said them want rascal text set from dancehall and claim say dancehall deal with certain little thing and dancehall involve crime and them shit. Now give them no more shit for chat board. You hear that? And on a lollipop thing. A real thing me I talk about. You see what I deal with? You can't have that a run like that, you know what I mean? Shenseea is a girl where a whole heap of people follow and a whole heap of young people like. Now I like them thing there. You see what I deal with? Yeah man, because sometimes I know what we do it and how we do it. I don't know, joke thing. And you have enough more way for conquer thing more than that. You know what I mean? Because you're a girl who have talent and the people them love you. So you don't have to run to that extreme. You know what I mean? For do nothing like that. Forget no farmer payments or no views or no likes or even if it's a song or a music video you drop. But don't think you have to go to that extreme. You know what I mean? Forget your thing shot because of you name shenseea and from cartel. So me jump on the track with the big world boss and say, Rudy, the thing that shot. You know what I mean? Yeah, the thing that shot, say you don't need nothing more than that. And I just damn thing them I say, you know what I mean? We need to cut out them local nonsense there, you know what I deal with? Because it's even worse if you're not fucking lesbian and all and I post up something like that and you know say well then you're not lesbian and it's not real. You know what I mean? But I trick people. You will end up claim say you trick people just to get highlighting and a bunch of youth follow you, you know. A bunch of little girl and boy follow you, you know. Because them think it's okay, you know, because them see shenseea do it, you know. You see what I deal with? And it's even worse if you're lesbian for true. They should have keep that in your bedroom. You know what I mean? And I understand. So well then, some people are the music nowadays and them shit there, but we don't grow up like that, you know what I mean? And our music not transform from that. Our music transform to true, pure, raw born talent. You see what I deal with? Yeah, but since this internet thing come in and you see say a rap artist who not follow account, you see the rapper them go up on the internet, do them thing, get a bag of views and bust out in the music business and everybody start do it and wanna start do it and I choose all type of way to do it. Remember in a gate set down in him throat in all. No, you still not give him, you know, the highlight where I'm supposed to get right now, you know, after some brilliant song him a drop, you know. Remember, you still have that down upon him, you know, because enough artists must come to the forefront and I soon push him, I push them and I big them up and all. No, I soon deal with gates like that, no, no, I soon deal with the man like that, you know. This is where I deal with and I dung in your throat, the man say, you know. But now everybody I say, and mostly man, I say them not see nothing wrong with that. You're not too bumbuckled freaky, you know, man. You're not too freaky, you know. A real thing I tell you, you know, it look like somehow no weak, you know, that's why I have to suck pussy, you know. That's where I deal with. You don't have the big sledge-head dick, you know. And that me get for find out, you know, no weak, you know, that. You know what I mean? Remember say, you know, at the tall utility pole we have, you know, a shot girl with 2,000 voltage, you know. And a lollipop thing, you know, when we draw for Jatamas from St. Thomas, you know. I want me to, you know. You understand on yourself and know what I want to do, you know. I want me to, you know, think a son a daily thing. People, a whole heap of people are watching, you know. Especially the younger person, you know. So shenseea, whatever you're doing, if a music video or if it's a sham or you just do that for highlight, whatever you do, believe me, it's not a good look, you hear me? So I want you to take down that picture there and make sure you erase all of them shit there. You see what I deal with? Or if it's a video you drop, you should have just drop your video and done at the general, the 10-star one. Watch.